Hey y'all! Welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. If you're anything like me, you get that little spark of excitement when you get to refresh a space. And what better way to do that than by staying ahead of the design game? You know, Chip and I love to transform houses into homes, and we always keep an eye on what's trending. Well, today we're diving headfirst into the biggest decoration trends that'll be everywhere in 2024. We're talking colors that feel like home, materials that are good for the soul, and designs that just make sense for how we live today. Whether you're dreaming of a full-on reno or just want to give a room a little pick-me-up, these trends are bursting with inspiration. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's jump right in. Y'all, there's something so comforting about earthy tones. They just make a space feel grounded and cozy, like a warm hug after a long day. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Think about those rich, warm colors you find in nature terracotta, like the clay pots on your porch, deep grounding browns, calming olive greens, and those beautiful, warm yellows that remind you of sunshine on a summer day. Now picture those colors in your home. Maybe it's a terracotta vase on your dining table, a set of olive green throw pillows on your sofa, or a beautiful brown leather armchair in your living room. These colors instantly create a sense of warmth and welcome, and they work beautifully with natural materials like wood and stone. It's all about creating that connection with the outdoors, even when you're inside. One of my favorite ways to incorporate earthy tones is through textiles. Think cozy knit blankets in warm browns, a textured rug with hints of terracotta, or even linen curtains in a soothing olive green. And don't be afraid to mix and match different shades within the same color family. It adds so much depth and visual interest. Trust me, these colors are like a warm hug for your home. And if you're feeling a little adventurous, you can even incorporate these earthy tones into your kitchen cabinets or bathroom vanities. A deep, forest green vanity? Yes, please. You know, at the farm, we're all about being mindful of the things we bring into our home. Using sustainable and eco-friendly materials isn't just a trend anymore, y'all. It's a way of life. It's about making choices that are good for our homes and the planet. And the best part? These materials are just as beautiful and durable as their conventional counterparts. Think about it. Reclaimed wood has so much character. Bamboo grows quickly and adds a natural elegance, and organic fabrics? They just feel good. Now, let's talk about how to bring these materials into your own home. Imagine a dining table made from reclaimed wood. Each knot and grain tells a story. Or how about bamboo shelves showcasing your favorite plants and treasures? And don't even get me started on organic cotton bedding. It's soft, breathable, and you can sleep soundly knowing you're making a good choice for the environment. But it's not just about the big pieces, y'all. Even small swaps can make a big difference. Swap out your plastic storage containers for glass or bamboo, and opt for natural fiber rugs instead of synthetic ones. And you know I love a good DIY project. Upcycling furniture is a fantastic way to give old pieces new life while being kind to the planet. You can find hidden treasures at flea markets and antique shops just begging for a little love. Remember, it's all about making conscious choices that align with our values. And when we choose sustainable, we're choosing a more beautiful and responsible way to live. Y'all, life these days is all about doing more with less, right? And our homes should reflect that. Multifunctional spaces are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. It's about creating spaces that work as hard as we do. Think about it. Many of us are working from home, our families are always on the go, and we want our homes to be a haven for relaxation and connection. That's where multifunctional spaces come in. Now, you don't need a sprawling farmhouse to make this work. Even in smaller homes, there are so many clever ways to maximize space. For example, a home office can easily double as a guest room with a daybed that converts into a comfortable bed at night. Or how about a kitchen island that extends to become a dining table? Vertical space is your best friend. Install shelves to store books, plants, or decorative items, and consider furniture pieces with built-in storage. Another thing I love is using room dividers to create separate zones within a larger space. A folding screen can instantly create a cozy reading nook or a dedicated workspace. And don't forget about lighting. Good lighting is key to defining different areas within a multifunctional space. Use a combination of overhead lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create the perfect ambiance for every activity. Remember, it's all about being thoughtful about how you use your space and making intentional design choices that support your lifestyle. Y'all, have you ever noticed how being in nature just makes you feel calmer and more at ease? Well, biophilic design is all about bringing those soothing elements indoors. It's about creating a deeper connection with the natural world within our own homes. And it goes beyond just adding a few houseplants, although we do love those. Think about incorporating natural light, organic shapes, and even water features to create a truly serene and inviting atmosphere. Start by maximizing the natural light in your home. Open up those curtains, add mirrors to reflect light, and consider installing larger windows if you can. Natural light does wonders for our mood and energy levels. Next, think about bringing in natural elements like wood, stone, and plants. A large wooden dining table instantly grounds a space, while a stone fireplace adds a touch of rustic elegance. And don't underestimate the power of plants. They not only purify the air but also add life and vibrancy to any room. If you have the space, consider adding a water feature. The sound of running water is incredibly soothing and can create a sense of tranquility. Biophilic design is all about creating a harmonious balance between our indoor and outdoor spaces. And when we create spaces that feel connected to nature, we create spaces that nourish our souls. Well, there you have it, friends. 5 design trends that are going to make 2024 a beautiful year for our homes. From the warmth of earthy tones to the thoughtful intention of multifunctional spaces, there's something here for everyone. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, a place where you feel comfortable, inspired, and most importantly, loved. So don't be afraid to put your own spin on these trends and make them your own. Thank y'all so much for joining me today on Crafty Corner Pro Max. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future design adventures. And be sure to let me know in the comments which trend you're most excited to try out in your own home. Until next time, happy decorating!